Hello, I am Flash Isaac, and you are welcome to the Flashlearners Common Entrance Past and Likely Questions series under English language. This is the episode 3. Feel free to check out episode 1, episode 2, and don't forget to subscribe to enjoy the other episodes of the series. Now, we are making use of the Flashlearners Common Entrance application. I highly recommend that you get one for yourself. It contains past and likely questions for common entrance, and from there you can watch my videos directly. How good that is. Look at the first question we are taking care of today. It says she often visits her mother during holidays, and the instruction is choose from the options the one that is nearly opposite in meaning to the underlined word or expression. Nearly opposite in meaning. Which is antonyms. Antonyms are words opposite in meaning, while synonyms are words that are nearest in meaning. Which means if a go is underlined, therefore we need to look for the options that says come, because come is the opposite of go. And the question here says she often visits her mother during holidays. She often visits her mother during holidays, and the underlined word is often. Now, what does this often mean? Often means she regularly visits her mother. She visits her mother most of the time. I do this often. It means I do this most of the time. So, which word should be opposite to often? It should be rarely, or once in a blue moon, or not all the time. So therefore, looking at the options, A says repeatedly. Often visit and repeatedly visit, they are nearest in meaning, yes. But it is wrong in this case because we are not looking for word nearest in meaning. We are looking for word that is opposite in meaning. So A is not correct. Option B says usually. Usually qualifies to be nearest in meaning to often visit. But remember the rule. Word nearly opposite in meaning, not nearest in meaning. So usually is not opposite in meaning to often. In fact, it is nearest in meaning. Option C says frequently. Frequently can also qualify to be nearest in meaning to often. So we are not looking for nearest in meaning. And option D says regularly. Nearest in meaning, often and regularly, they qualify to be nearest in meaning or close in meaning. Option D says rarely. Rarely is the opposite of often. If I say I often do this and I say I rarely do this, rarely means I don't do it all the time. No, I hardly do it. So if she often visits her mother during holidays, the opposite should be she rarely visits her mother, which implies that during holidays she will just decide not to visit her mother. So option E is the correct option. And the next question says, the head teacher commended the boys for being honest. Honest. Now, honest is underlined. What does it mean to be honest? Honest simply means to be sincere, to be truthful, right? So what should be the opposite of honest? Opposite should be maybe to lie, to be insincere. Option A says lazy. Lazy and honest, they don't even have anything in common. They are not even synonyms. They are not opposite in meaning. Option B says insolent. Insolent, rude. No. Rough, no. D says disobedience. Honest and disobedience, they are different things. So the only option that makes sense there is insincere. If you are honest, you are sincere. So if you are not honest, you are insincere. So insincere is opposite in meaning to honest. Option D is the correct option. And the next question says, he likes drama. Dash he. Dash he. He likes drama. Dash he. So look at it. This is under question tag. He likes drama is the same thing as he does like drama. So if I say he likes drama, it simply means he does likes drama. These statements are the same. So, in question tag, when you have a positive statement, you look for a negative answer. When you have a negative statement, you look for a positive answer. If I say he didn't do it, didn't is negative. So the question tag should be did he? If I say he wouldn't go there, wouldn't is negative. The question tag should be would he? If I say he would do it, would positive. The question tag should be wouldn't. He wouldn't do it. So when a statement is positive, the question tag should be negative. When a statement is negative, the question tag should be positive. So in this case, it says he likes drama, right? Or he does like drama. If you want to give the question tag, it should be negative, which means doesn't he? So positive does, or he likes drama, it's a positive statement. So the question tag should be negative. Doesn't he like drama, or does he not like drama? So option D is the correct option. And the final question for this episode says he either works in Kano -- Jos. This is under Concord. Now, there are some words that must be used together. When you are given, anytime you are given either, it is used to represent two things, which means this can go or that can go. So either would always go with or, and neither would always go with no. So don't ever use either and no, and don't ever use neither and or. So either this or that, neither this nor that. If you say either John or Luke, fine, is correct. Neither John nor Luke, it means out of the two, we are not picking any option. Either means out of the two, we are picking one. So option D is correct. Either always goes with or. So that is it for this episode. I hope you found this helpful. I am Flash Isaac. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to tell your friends about this. Don't forget to visit the Flashlearners channel to explore all my videos. And feel free to check out the next episode.